I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make donut mixture, only way. Start by sifting flour and sugar together to remove lumps and ensure even distribution. Whisk in baking powder and a pinch of salt, then combine warmed milk, beaten eggs, and melted butter until smooth. Rest the batter briefly to hydrate the flour, then check consistency. It should be thick but pourable for piping or scooping. Use a light hand while mixing to prevent tough donuts. Overmixing develops gluten and ruins the tender crumb. Beat wet ingredients first for even incorporation, then add dry ingredients in 2 additions, folding until just combined. If the batter seems too thick, add a tablespoon of milk at a time until it reaches a smooth, pipeable consistency that will produce uniformly risen donuts with a soft, airy center. If this video is useful, please subscribe and like so I can make more recipes you enjoy. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Try Darn Tough for unmatched comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for standing while frying donuts. I link the product and extra deals in the description, so take a peek for savings. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Maintain oil at 350 degrees F for even browning and a crisp shell while keeping the inside soft. Fry donuts in small batches to keep temperature stable and flip once for a golden, uniform color. Drain on a wire rack to avoid a soggy bottom, then dip or drizzle with glaze while donuts are warm so it sticks beautifully, or toss in sugar for a classic finish that everyone will love.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.